mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going on a road trip, right baby? We're going to be going to Gatlinburg, and it is currently 9 o'clock in the morning, and we're about to get on the road. This is the outfit that I'm going to be wearing today. My son's mirror is dirty. Let's put this up here. Okay guys, we are currently at the post office because my husband had a passport appointment this morning, so we haven't officially got on the road. We need to gas up and actually grab some food to eat for breakfast because we didn't eat. We were running late, so we didn't have time to eat breakfast at home. So I'm trying to think where we can go eat. It's currently 10 o'clock, so where your mask? You get this mask from. So I will check back in once we figure out what we're going to eat.
I'm going to eat pizza pepperoni.
Pizza?
Yes!
Okay, you guys, we have finally made it to Gatlinburg. We're just standing outside checking out the scenery before we go in and check the cabin out. It was a pretty nice cabin, as you can see. Just a small little kitchen, a living room. It had a deck. It also was just a 1-bedroom queen bed, and it did have like a pull-out sofa. And there's the jacuzzi, and it had like some little tables out there and a TV as well. Okay, and here's the bathroom, a cute little bathroom. My son was like, what type of sink is this? So I turned the water on and showed him how the sink works. Now we're just going to make our way out and check out the patio area. And I really wish that it really wasn't too cold. Because I really would have liked to have gotten in the hot tub. I mean, I know my husband was like, that's when you get in the hot tub, when it's cold outside. As you all can see, it's steaming hot. But however, I did not bring a swimsuit with me. As you all can see, my son, he wanted to feel the water. He was kind of scared to touch it. I told him it wasn't going to be too hot. And after that, you guys, we decided to go into town and grab a bite to eat. I believe this restaurant is called the Bullfish. Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, the Bullfish Steak and Seafood. Now, we went to Gatlinburg back in August of 21, and we ate here before, and it was really good. This time I got something different on the menu, and as you see, I wasn't feeling this rib and fries. Yeah, I could have passed on that. I should have just went with the steak, my first instinct. My husband got some kind of fish, rice, and sweet potatoes and some veggies. And my son, of course, he just got his little chicken tenders and fries. And after that, we decided to go over to Beyond the Lens. This was a pretty cool place.
It's just a video. Oh, right here.
Somebody gotta make a phone call. I am. I got you.
So we got up the next morning and we went to grab some breakfast at the Pancake House before we went to Ripley's Believe It or Not. And as you can see, when we got there, my son wanted to take a picture with this dinosaur. At this location, it was pretty crowded here today. We are at Ripley's Believe It or Not. And we just wanted to share some of the things that we did while we were in Gatlinburg. We also did the Wonderworks. I didn't record much in there. Yeah, you guys. So please subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more videos. And also, our trip ended on Sunday. So yeah, we went back home on Sunday. But like I said before, I just wanted to share our little vacation with you guys. And we will see you guys in the next video. Hold on, let's see what's singing.